The history of the Muslim-Hindu community in India is complex and spans several centuries. The relationship between the two religious groups has been marked by both cooperation and conflict. Islam first came to India in the 7th century through Arab traders and soon after, Muslim invasions and the establishment of Muslim dynasties began. These dynasties, such as the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire, ruled over large parts of India for several centuries. During this time, there was significant interaction and cultural exchange between Hindus and Muslims, leading to the formation of a unique syncretic culture in parts of India. However, there were also instances of religious conflict and persecution, particularly during the reign of certain rulers. In addition, the British colonization of India in the 18th century further exacerbated tensions between Hindus and Muslims, leading to the eventual partition of British India into India and Pakistan in 1947. The communal tensions have continued to shape the relationship between Hindus and Muslims in India even after the partition, and it has been a major issue in India's politics and society. Overall, the history of the Muslim-Hindu community in India is a complex and multifaceted one, marked by both cooperation and conflict.